Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarwazim Abdul Nazir and my metric number is 19DDT20F2036. And my partner is Muhammad Amir Ali bin Ali Muhammad and Muhammad Iqbal Nawar bin Muhammad Zazni. We are from this is our group in the PBT, and our lecturer is Sir Abdul Rashid bin Atan. Okay, this is the first section A. Okay, the section A is design the network. So what we are doing is design like what the diagram want us to create. So we just need to go to the packet tracer and do what they want us to do. So we take time doing this about 5 days, which is because we have so many assignments too. So we are doing step by step, and each from our group has the work what they want to do. So this is the section A. Okay, this is section A. What we are doing. This is photo. Okay, this is what we do. Like what Sir Achid want. So okay, this is two router between 2910 connect to each other, and then to the router one go to the switch one, which is we use the 2950 24 switch, and then we also use the crossover cable, I think crossover cable and then go to the PC. Each of these using the same cable, and the difference between this is just the DCE cable. So DTE cable. Okay, this is the interface that we use. For PC1 we use a fast internet 0, and cable type copper straight cable. Okay, the interface is fast internet 0/24. The interface for switch 0/24, and then we use the copper straight cable 2, and the router 1 interface is serial 0/3/0. The PC2 fast internet 0, and then we use also copper straight cable, and switch 2 with the interface is fast internet 0/7. Also use the same cable. In the router 2, the interface is fast internet 0/2/2, and router 1 the interface is serial 0/3/0 serial DCE. That's just one cable is different from others. And then router 2 interface is like before, fast internet 0/2/2. So this is section B. Calculate the IP address, IPv4 address. What we need to do, we just need to follow the instruction given, and then count the total subnet mask, the subnet needed, total number of host address, subnet mask, network ID, for gateway IP. Okay, this is subnet mask for section B. Okay, network ID with prefix like usual is 192.168.2.0/24. This is the common use of IP address, subnet mask, gateway, default gateway, first usable address, last usable address, and broadcast address. So this for the site A, we use also the same. No. We use the IP address is different because we want to make it different, so the command will not clash to each other. The network. Okay. For site A is we use 192.198.2.20, and the default gateway address just the back of them is different. Okay, this is 20, and also the first usable address starting from 21 until 30, because we're not using the first usable address like site this. Okay, and then site for B site is 30, and then 30 I'll follow for subnet mask, default gateway, first usable address, and last usable address also. And site C also like that. No. Yeah, it has a separate difference. 192.168.2.4/24. This is a little different because this is the last one. No, this is a mistake. 40. Also the same. Okay. We go to section C. Okay, section C we need to set up a topology, network topology in diagram 1. Packet tracer, but we use the the required resources. To routers Cisco 1941, to switch Cisco 2960, to PCs. Okay, and then use the cable, the console cable, to connect to each other. This is what we need to setting: the interface, the IP address, subnet mask. Okay, this is the answer because we cannot put it up there. Okay, this is what we done. Okay. Okay, each one of this is, okay, this is in the packet tracer. Okay, in the router here you can see we are already done the IP address and subnet mask also. The also for router 2, the IP address also setting by us. Then this is we are using the DTE cable, serial DTE cable. This is the copper straight cable. Copper straight cable go to the switches from the routers, and from the routers we are using the copper straight cable also for to going to the PC. Okay, so this is the diagram that our lecture 1. Okay, then okay, we are going to section D. Section D is verify end-to-end connectivity. So this is the topology that we made in the packet tracer. Okay, this is between two routers connect to each other, and then router 1 connect to switch 2, and router 2 connect to switch 3, then the switch 2 connect to PC2, and this one is connect to PC3. From here we can see this. They are using the serial DTE cable and the copper straight cable, which is this one is we are using the console cable. This is console cable going through from the router through the PC. Okay, this is question B. Show startup config for router 1. This is startup config. Okay, this is our command. Router 2 startup config is different from this one. They're using the 892 byte. Okay, this is the C section. The C question is route show IP and internet brief for. This is for router 1. Show IP. They are showing the IP address for router 1. Okay, and this is for the router 2. You can see this the difference between the IP address 0.1 1.1 1.1. Okay, this is the clock rate for R2. What we are using, because we are using the serial DCE cable. After we are using the DCE cable, it will change to the DTE cable, and this is the equation show IP route for router 1 and router 2. Okay, IP route is they are using they are showing the serial no, it's just same for the INT. Okay, this is the IP route. They are showing us the local connected static, RIP, mobile, BGP. Okay, what you can see here, if you're using the show IP route, they will show us this output. Okay, this the F question is ping from PC1 to PC2. When we are ping from PC1 to PC2, you can see here the ping statistic. The packet send receive fully, that it has no loss at all. Okay, that means the cable and the router is setting nicely and good. So okay, this is ping from PC2 to PC1, also good, receive 4 and no loss. Okay, that is our presentation, and what challenge we are facing using doing this thing is we have no idea what we are doing before, because we are not learning this, and we are learning this from YouTube. That's a challenge, but we have been going through this, and I think it's a good challenge from Sir Aceh, and I hope Sir Aceh will provide us more way to understand the introduction to network. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.